Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Bitcoin price alerts with Coinbase. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Coinbase app. Before setting up a price alert, add Bitcoin to your watch list. Tap the Explore icon at the bottom right, then search for Bitcoin. Once on the Bitcoin page, tap the star icon at the top right to add it to your watch list. Next, return to your home screen by tapping the home icon at the bottom left. Scroll down to find your watch list. Select Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you want to track. At the top of the Bitcoin page, you will see the current price and a bell icon next to it. Tap the bell to open the price alert settings. From here, tap Add Alert, set a specific price, and Coinbase will notify you when Bitcoin reaches that amount. Keep in mind that Coinbase only sends one alert per day per price point. You can repeat this process to set multiple alerts for different price levels. If you are not receiving alerts, check your notification settings. So that's basically how you can get Bitcoin price alerts with Coinbase. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.